Hey guys, have you ever been, I guess, shamed by another woman because of your outfit? Have you? Or have you ever shamed someone because of their outfit? So I had on this outfit today, and I just had to run to Dollar Tree to get some garbage bags. And it's a new shirt, but I don't know if you've seen this shirt before. I might have shown it to you. But anyway, it's the cutest little thing. And I actually sleep in this, but I just needed to run in Dollar Tree really quickly. My gray's showing, but anyway. And so this lady looked at my outfit. I guess she didn't like it. And I think it's cute. But anyway, and I just got some like blue jeans um, that I'm wearing. And so I don't think she liked my outfit. My garage is horrible. But anyway, I don't think she liked my outfit. So she called herself, shaming me, looking me up and down. And looking me up and down and giving me the side eye and just, have y'all ever done that to somebody? That does not feel good. I'm telling you. But anyway, so I'm releasing this energy. That's why I'm standing out here for a moment, to just release that negative energy. Because, my outfit ain't got nothing to do with you. I was going to say another word because, I was raised by sailors, so I have to be careful. But don't do that to ladies. Don't do that to women. Don't do that to each other. Take care of yourself. Take care of your mental health. Don't worry about what somebody else got on, because I'm exercising today. We're going to work out. I'm cleaning up today. Obviously, I'm outside. I got some things in my garage. I want to clean up a few things. My hubby is going to work on a few pieces of furniture, and I got some things I want to wash, and there's some things out here in the garage. Y'all saw that pile. Y'all saw that mess. So this is how I'm dressing, because I got my workout bra on, not a regular bra, this thick workout bra, because this is what I work out in, and this kind of stuff. It's comfortable, and so I just need to get some garbage bags because I'm gonna throw some stuff away. I've been getting rid of clothes, throwing stuff away. So I'm just saying, ladies, don't shame other ladies. Don't don't be looking at other people and worried about what they got on. Child, that ain't your business. You know what I'm saying? Be good to each other. Be good to yourself. And the tip too is, don't worry about what nobody else think about you. I want no more studying that woman. When I looked at her and she was looking at me and rolling her and looking, I was like, what and why? Because it's like, none of this is any of your business, honey. Child, ain't none of this got nothing to do with you. So I was just like looking at her like, what and why are you trying to mind my business? Because I'm not minding yours. So I'm just saying, be good. We got, women, we got to do better. Ladies, we got the friends, sister girls. We got to do better. And she wasn't a sister, so let's just say that. But anyway, we got to do better. Because sometimes people really think that they know best about how you should dress or what they feel is appropriate when you go out. Like I said, I'm just running out to Dollar Tree. I'm supposed to be washing my hair today. I don't know if that's going to happen. But I was just running out to get garbage bags because I'm cleaning up. I'm out in the garage cleaning up. It's hot. I have an essay to write. So I'm just comfortable today. And I was spending my own money, not hers. So mind your own. You ever want to tell somebody that? Mind your own business. But anyway. Laugh. I just think it was just the funniest thing, because she was just looking at me like, and rolling her eyes and looking at me. I was like, ooh, I didn't even know, that all that was really necessary at Dollar Tree. And then my girlfriend was there, which she and I always see each other when we're thrifting. We should call each other before we go, because we always see each other and hang out together in the thrift store when we're shopping. So she was at Dollar Tree. But I promise you, if I go to Walmart, I go to Kroger, I'm going to see my friend Betty. I'm going to see her. So I saw her today, and we were laughing and talking in the store, laughing all loud, being all loud. Laughing, hugging each other and smiling. So, but anyway, I'm just saying, be good to yourself. Be good to other people. Be kind, because you don't know what, the sister might be looking crazy. You don't know what she's going through today. And that's not really your business. So just be kind while she's going through whatever she's going through. And it's okay if she's not dressed up to the gills, every time you see her, because it's hard trying to keep up this pretense of Instagram. You can't be an Instagram baddie and slay every moment of the day. Maybe you can. I ain't trying to. So, but anyway, I'm gonna clean up this garage, get some stuff done, and yeah. Oh, y'all see that chair hubby painted back there? Can y'all see that blue chair? It's cute, ain't it? All right, guys, y'all be good to yourself. Be good to each other. And when you meet people who are not nice, be kind to yourself. I guess I could show you what I bought while I was at Dollar Tree. That might be fun. Let me show you what I got. If it's I don't know if it's too dark. But anyway, let me see. In addition to the garbage bags, hubby already took the garbage bags in. So let me show you what I got in my little bag. I thought these were the cutest little things. Or wait, maybe I should wait and do a whole Dollar Tree haul. But I got this Eiffel Tower. It's white. I don't know if it's coming up good. But anyway, it's the Eiffel Tower. Y'all see that? Kind of like the milk, whatever. Those milk white bowls. Kind of would put me in the mind that it's not that, but I'm just saying it put me in the mind of that. And then I feel like I should do a whole Dollar Tree haul, because I got like 3 things the other day when I went to Dollar Tree. But anyway, I got this @ symbol. I have been saying I wasn't going to get one, but I do a lot of online business, so I might as well. And I got this little sign, which says, which I think is so appropriate for how I'm feeling today. If I can get it out of this bag, and that is "The Witch is in." And I was definitely holding this side while she was doing all side eye at me. Ain't her business, child. But anyway, I just thought that was too cute. I'm gonna put this on my door because the witch was definitely in today. She was looking at me crazy. I was like, I feel sorry for you, because you have nothing better to do than to look at me crazy, girl. And I got on, I'm feeling cute and sexy. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you're talking about, but So, it does. Other people's opinion does not matter of you. Other people's opinions of you do not matter. That's all I want to say. Other people say that it doesn't matter. Girl, do you and be you. You feel good in what you wear it. You feel sexy and you feel fine, wear it. You having a cleanup day and you need to run to the store and you don't feel like putting a whole lot of makeup on and you don't feel like putting a whole bunch of stuff on, don't. Just be you. And don't worry about other people judging you, honey. Be happy and laugh, honey. And go get you a sign from Dollar Tree and tell them the witch is in. I'm just saying, the witch is in. Because we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care what other people think about us. Them having to hold on to their negative attitudes and their negative personalities and their judgmental opinions about you and everybody else that they see is their own business. So, and we ain't got time for that, honey. I wish I had my sign, because I tell you, we ain't got time for that. All right, guys. I'm going to get off of here. And the next thing is, don't let nobody get you down, because they judging you and looking at you crazy. They don't know your pocketbook. They don't know what's going on with you. Honey, whether you got 63 cents in your pocketbook or you got $100 in your pocketbook, it really don't matter. It ain't their business, honey. It's not their business. My little Coach bag. It ain't their business what you got in your Coach bag, whether it's a designer bag or fake bag, free bag. It don't matter. It ain't their business. So they ain't paying your bills, and it don't matter. All right, guys. I'm gonna get off of here. I'm messing with y'all today because I love you guys. And I want you to take care of yourself. That includes your mental and emotional health. And don't let nobody bring you down. I got this shirt. It's new, but the little strings are coming off. But it still looks cute. I still feel sexy. All right, guys. I'm going to get off of here. I love you guys. Y'all have an amazing day. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment. What do y'all think when people act like that in the store? How do y'all react? All right, guys. Love you. Have a good day.